Hello there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to create a mobile app with Grok AI. Now, imagine turning your great idea into a fully functional mobile app without having to write every single line of code yourself. That's exactly what we'll be exploring today. By leveraging the power of Grok AI, you can simplify the app creation process, making it more accessible even if you're not a coding expert. The goal here is to take you from just having an idea to having a working app that you can run and even share with others. Let's dive into the details and make this happen. To start, open up your web browser. The first step is to navigate to Google and type in Grok AI in the search bar. You're looking for the official Grok AI website, so click on it once you find it. As you land on the website, you'll notice a prompt area. This is where the magic begins. Here, you'll describe exactly what kind of mobile app you want to create. It's crucial to be as clear and specific as possible so that Grok AI can understand your needs and generate the most relevant code for you. For instance, if you want to create a mobile version of a classic Brick Breaker game, you might enter something like, "Help me create a Brick Breaker game on mobile with HTML." If you already have ideas about features you want, like touch controls, a score counter, or even sound effects, make sure to include those details. This way, Grok AI can customize the output to better suit your vision. When Grok AI responds, you'll receive a piece of code, often an HTML snippet. Sometimes, it might include CSS and JavaScript as well. Whether the code is all in one HTML file or divided into separate sections, it's essential to pay attention to where each part belongs. Make a quick note if needed, so you can organize everything properly later. Copy the HTML code that Grok AI provides you. Next, we will use a platform called Replit to build and run the app. Open Replit in your browser and create a new project designed for web development. Once you're in, open the main HTML file of your new project and paste in the HTML code you copied from Grok AI. If you received additional code such as CSS or JavaScript, keep it nearby. Replit offers a user-friendly interface to organize your files efficiently, so you can effortlessly paste CSS and JavaScript into the correct locations if required. Within Replit, add a brief instruction like "Build this app" to guide any integrated tools or AI helpers. Then, follow the on-screen prompts. Replit might suggest some changes, install necessary dependencies, or help organize your project files. Allow it to complete these steps. If you encounter any warnings or errors during this process, don't worry. Read any error messages carefully. They typically direct you to the exact line that needs fixing, such as a missing tag or a file reference that requires updating. Once Replit has completed its setup, click on the Run button to launch your app. You should see a preview on the right side of your screen. It's time to test the basic interactions, especially those related to mobile behavior, like touch inputs. If something doesn't feel quite right, don't hesitate to return to Grok AI to refine your prompt. Then, paste any updated code back into Replit to quickly iterate on your app. When you're satisfied with the final result, you can publish your app directly from Replit. Use the Publish or Deploy option and follow the prompts to get a shareable link. Make sure to open that link on your phone to confirm it looks and works well on a smaller screen. And that's it. By using Grok AI to generate your code and Replit to build, run, and publish your app, you've made creating a mobile app both straightforward and fast. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to create a mobile app with Grok AI quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.